Join me today as I take on the challenge of starting a new YouTube channel as a new small content creator on YouTube from scratch and watching it grow within just 1 month. Welcome to my channel. I'm Hepzibah Nieto. Today we are going to be talking about how you, as a new small content creator, maybe someone with no experience in video content creation, can start and grow a YouTube channel to success within just 1 month. And today I'm going to be sharing with us all the great potentials that it holds for us as small content creators, because YouTube is a platform with over 2 billion users daily. YouTube is a search engine platform, it's an educative platform, it's an entertaining platform. Therefore, it is a platform that holds quite a lot of potentials for content creators. That is why you should consider starting a YouTube channel today if you have that in your mind. If this is what resonates with you, I advise that you stick around till the end of this video, watch this video to the very end, and remember to please give the video a thumbs up so that YouTube can push this video out to more people who might be interested in learning how to start a YouTube channel. So please like this video and remember to join the family by subscribing to my channel. YouTube is a platform that holds great potential for its creators, but with great potential also comes great competition. That is why you need all the know-how on how to start a successful YouTube channel. Here on YouTube, there are so many videos out there teaching how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel, and sometimes these things that are being taught could be confusing because they could be contradictory. So it is very important for you as a new small content creator like myself to be mindful of the video and the content you consume, what you learn and what you practice, especially on your new channel. So today I've been on YouTube for like roughly, seriously now on YouTube for like roughly 3 months, although throughout the month of October last month, I was not able to upload a video. I really apologize for that because I've really been under the weather. I've been sick. I'm just trying to recover myself. Apart from being sick, I have had 1 or 2 very serious, I won't really call them challenges, but I really had things I really needed to sort out, because when I started this channel like 3-4 months ago, it was self-consuming for me. I put in all my time, all my energy, all my efforts. I drowned out and shut out so many other things that were crying out for my attention. So when I felt that my channel had kind of picked up a bit, I decided to pause a little. I was getting kind of burnt out, so I decided to pause for a little while to attend to other things, and in the process of that I fell ill. I'm really sorry for not showing up for quite some time because it's really been long, really, and I didn't intend for it to be that long, so I really apologize to my audience. Yeah, going back into the video, if this is what you really want to learn, please, you really need to stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to be sharing great stuff that I've learned myself on my channel and I believe will be of very much value to you. One of the biggest challenges we new small YouTube content creators face is that of standing out in a crowded market. Like I said, YouTube is a platform with over 2 billion users daily, and you can imagine with that volume of users, more than half of these 2 billion users on the YouTube platform are content creators like you and I. So that means that a lot of videos are being uploaded, millions of videos in fact are being uploaded on YouTube platform per minute, per second. So it will be very difficult for you as a new starting upcoming small channel content creator like you and I to really stand out and make our voice heard, to make the algorithm identify your channel, what your channel stands for and your audience, and then push your videos to those set of people. So this is one of the will I say the first or the greatest challenge you will face as a new YouTube content creator is making your voice, your content, your personality stand out in a crowded market, a crowded platform like YouTube. But that notwithstanding, that is not a reason for you to shy away from it. That is a reason for you to put in more effort to become dedicated and consistent at building your channel and showing up on your channel daily or as frequently as you can, because you have to have a workable and reasonable schedule for your channel and your video upload, so that you don't get burnt out. I was actually burnt out ending of September. I had so many things that were piling up and really crying for my attention, so that was why I kind of went off for some weeks. I planned for it to just be like 2 weeks max, but somehow it exceeded 2 weeks and it stretched into over a month. I wanted to upload on the first of this month, but that first I was very sick. I could hardly get out of bed. In fact, I was in bed from morning till night. I took, after having my shower, I took my all my meals and all my drugs on bed, so I could hardly do anything for myself. So that is one of the things why you should have a schedule. You should stick to a plan that works for you and your channel. You have other things to do outside of YouTube. You maybe even still have a 9 to 5 that you work at. You have little kids, you have a family, you have a social life, you have a Christian or maybe church activities that you have to attend to as well. So when you are building your channel, you should factor all these other responsibilities into consideration and know the time and days that you are going to be making your videos and uploading your videos on YouTube, so that you don't get burnt out and so that other areas of your life doesn't suffer neglect. The second challenge and the second major consideration you have to take in as a new small content creator like myself on YouTube is finding your unique niche and building your community, your videos, and your channel around that niche. Yes, you cannot be a jack of all trades on YouTube because your algorithm will get confused on what your channel is all about, and with time, your algorithm will begin to neglect your channel and your videos ultimately. So that is why you should find a niche, something that you are good at, something that you have some kind of skill or expertise in, something that you could talk about for hours on end effortlessly, something that you could actually hold a Q&A on with your community. These are things you should consider when picking a niche. You could have one or two more sub niches, but you should have one main niche around which your channel is built on. Yes, this is what will make the algorithm to know who your videos and your content are for, find your unique audience, and push your videos to them, ultimately help you get your subscribers. Yes, you have to find your unique voice. You can't come and be sounding like everybody all the time. You have to learn from other content creators who have been here longer than we have, other content creators who have gained some form of mastery on this YouTube street. But beyond learning from them, you have to chart your own course. You have to, carve your own niche for yourself and stick to your niche. You can't be everywhere at the same time, though. You have to be known for something and you have to stick to that something that you are known for. Another well-known challenge, or should I call it headache, for we small content creators on YouTube is being able to crack the YouTube's algorithm code, because this algorithm is like the lord and master of it all on this space. Because if you are able to master the YouTube's algorithm, your efforts and your time, your energy that you will be spending on your videos and your uploads and your content prepping will almost be a waste. So our advice, like I have a friend who is interested in starting a channel, I advised her to take out like 2-3 months before she kickstarts her channel. She should take like 2-3 months to actually be on the platform. She will spend so much data and time and all that, but it's necessary that as a new content creator, you come on the platform, take out time, take out effort, take out conscious time, and all the necessaries that will come with it to learn how the platform works. And the best place to learn about the platform is on that platform itself. If you are interested in being a YouTube content creator, you should be on YouTube learning about YouTube, watching videos from other people who have been here before you, learning how their successes were achieved, what they did and what they didn't do, even the mistakes they made in their early stages of building their own channels, so that you avoid those pitfalls. These are things you should do. You should be able to come on the platform, learn about YouTube, learn how the algorithm works, what it doesn't want, the rules and the regulations of the YouTube platform, so that you don't fall in violation of the YouTube policies, and maybe get your channel shadow banned or even deleted or something like that. Nobody wants that. So you have to come on the platform, learn how the platform works, learn the new updated changes, because YouTube is always evolving, it's always changing, it's always having new updates almost as frequently as possible. So you should always be abreast with all these changes and always know how to apply these changes for your own benefit and for your own growth. Then when you feel you have finally gathered enough knowledge to start up your channel, and you have picked a niche, a topic, a niche that you are passionate about, that you feel that your channel will flourish and do well in, then you have to also make it a point of duty to be diligent and consistent, always showing up on your channel. For some time now, I have actually failed in this area, though it was not actually intentional on my part, but this is something that we small content creators need to make it a point of duty to master, and to always show up on our channel, because you're building a community. Your community wouldn't want to come online, search for you, and not find you. With time, they could forget about you and move on to some other person, some other content creator. Even the algorithm itself, if you fail to show up consistently, the algorithm could forget about your channel, and when you do come back, it will take you more time and more effort to make the algorithm pick on you once again. Yes, so you have to be consistent, and you have to be diligent, always improving on your skills, on your videos, on the quality of the videos that you upload, and the quality of the content that you upload, and all that. So you have to be consistent, always willing to learn. You should be somebody who is always willing to learn. Yes, always be willing to learn. Don't feel like you know it all. Always make use of your comment section and your community tab, where you can interact with your audience and with your viewers. If you are still watching me up to this time, thank you for watching me. Please remember to like this video so that the YouTube algorithm can push it out, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Still hammering on the importance of being consistent in your video uploads, I would advise that you see your channel and see your upload schedule as being a TV host. That way you would have a dedicated time and day in which you not just record your videos, but you also upload them, so that your viewers can know when to expect a new video from you. And that way your consistency is reassured in the minds of your viewers. Yes, consider yourself as a TV host who must always be on the big screens at a particular time of the day and of the week. And lastly, for now, one of the greatest challenges we new small content creators face is the challenge of being authentic. Many of us have this initial struggle of finding our own unique voices and being true to it, being our authentic selves. Always want we might feel the pressure of trying to sound or be like somebody. Maybe a video we might have watched from another bigger content creator made us want to emulate them. It's not bad to emulate, but while you are trying to emulate, always find there should be a line whereby you would carve out your own authenticity. You cannot come and be a copycat to another person. You could even do that and even get a copyright strike from YouTube. So please, while you are showing up on your channel, creating your niche and your videos and sticking to that, please remember to be your authentic self. Don't pretend or try to be who you are not. Don't form an accent that you don't have. Don't speak beyond what you know. Yes, improve on your knowledge base, but please remain your authentic self. Let your viewers, let your people, the people who watch you, know that they are actually watching and interacting with a fellow human being like them, somebody who feels what they feel and understands what they go through. Don't let them know that you're just like them, and that you understand that your videos, your topic, your content is actually to solve a problem that they are going through and to make their life a bit easier. So these are the things you should consider when you are starting a new YouTube channel as a small new content creator on YouTube. You have to find your authentic voice. You have to be consistent. You also have to carve out your own niche and be consistent with it. You cannot be here today and there tomorrow. Like my channel now, this channel is basically about marriage and godly relationship, but I decided to make this video to encourage somebody out there who might be considering the idea of starting a new career path in video content creation, particularly on the YouTube platform, to go for it. I'm encouraging you to go for it. Get the necessary gadgets you will need, the little ones. You don't need to go for the big stuffs now. Use what you have, improvise, use DIYs, and start up. Prop up your camera, put up your phone, just hit the record button and start making a video around something you are passionate about, something you flow effortlessly about. If you've watched to this very moment, thank you for watching. Please remember to like this video if you haven't done that yet, and hit the subscribe button, because this channel serves out kingdom tips, godly tips, Christian tips on how to date and navigate the entire relationship and courtship space, even down to the marriage proper as a Christian, both whether as a lady or as a man. Until I come your way next time, I'm Hepzibah Nito, and thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.